Round stock is dangerous because the downward force of the blade wants to rotate the cylinder. If it twists even a fraction of an inch, the blade binds, and that's when things go wrong. Here's a safe and accurate way to do this. What I'm going to do is take this and I'm going to stick a piece of wood like this to one side of it. I'm just going to draw around this just so I can see where it needs to be stuck. I did sand both of these faces. The glue I have is Magic Chem CA glue, and it also comes with an activator. I just cut the end off this, and I'm going to be applying this to this surface. Then on this other surface, I'm going to just spray this. That's the activator. Try to make this so that it's... and then press down on this and hold that there. So there we go. That looks like it's going to hold. Now, one thing I do want to check is this blade. This is actually the maximum that this is able to cut on this machine. The setup is the most important. So this is the moment of truth. I'm going to keep this against the fence here, and let's give this a shot. I'm just going to take it nice and easy, and hopefully everything's going to go well. There we go. And it's actually a pretty nice finish. Here's an interesting thing about CA glue. It's very strong, but you know, it's also very brittle. This was the piece I glued. Yeah, that's another piece. That's how you safely cut thin pieces on a bandsaw. Check out my next video, linked in the comments, on changing blades to a quality wood and metal blade.